Alright, hi and welcome to the video. This is a 7970 XFX AMD card. It's very good at graphics and such. 3 gigs of video RAM, 384 MIM interface, 384-bit. See what else has it got going on. It's Crossfire support, 2 mini display ports, 1 HDMI, 1 single link DVI, 1 dual link DVI. What else is there? Here are some of the features. It features OpenGL 4.2 support, 2560, wait no, max resolution of 4096 by 3112, AMD Infinity support, I already said Crossfire support, so let's see, trying to think of, find highlights out of this. DirectX 11, and morphological anti-aliasing, let's see. I gotta get this box open. I've been waiting for this for like 4 days. Thanks. Alright, so hi everyone. This is pretty much everything that was included inside the box. This features a double D heatsink, and it's on the Gigahertz edition as well as the black edition. In my opinion, it's the best looking heatsink you can find on a 7970. I think the DirectCU2 might be better performance-wise and might allow you to get higher clock speeds, but yeah, I don't actually know if I like that one better. I think this one looks better to me, even though the 6.8. Alright, I'm getting kind of sidetracked about stuff, but anyway, what's different about the base model of the 7970 right here? This is a 925 megahertz clock. The black edition actually has a 1000 megahertz clock. I gotta check my notes really quick. Yeah, and the effective memory clock is a little bit higher. I think it's 1.4 megahertz. And in the gigahertz edition, the clock speed is... Damn it, my phone just went off. Sorry. Distracted. Hold on. Alright, yeah, the core clock is 1050 megahertz, and for some reason in the Newegg listing, I'm not seeing anything for stream processors, and I looked for it in the box, I wasn't able to find anything. But the black and gigahertz edition both list 2048 stream processors. And the effective memory clock on the... Okay, I'm going to have to ignore that one. The effective memory clock on the gigahertz edition is 1500 megahertz, which is faster than the black, just by 75 megahertz. And yeah, so I believe this one's effective memory clock speed is 1 point something. I don't know. You guys look it up. No, I'll go do it. Alright, so I found out that the effective memory clock for this particular version would be 1375 megahertz, and yeah, let's go ahead and go over what's included in the packaging. You get a bunch of paperwork, some power supplies. Maybe you didn't know they make power supplies, and some warnings, adapters and connectors. Let's go ahead and open up. This is a little hard because I have to hold the camera. There we go. Here's your Crossfire bridge for when you want to run more than one GPU. And here is an embarrassing, well, I think it's embarrassing, this little subject, but do not disturb, I'm gaming. You can hang out on your doorknob so maybe your parents don't come in. Quick install guide right here. XFX Play Hard. Let's see what's on the back. Limited warranty information. And this would be driver CD installation. AMD graphics card. CD. Now let's go ahead and get the card out of the plastic. And I am just as impressed as I was in all the pictures of this card. I really love that heatsink design. Looks great. XFX, great job on getting this thing to look really pretty. Go ahead. Back PCB doesn't have a back plate, so just in case you're wondering if it did, it does not. Where's your Crossfire bridge? Your Crossfire bridge is right there, and PCI right there. Let's see what else. There's plastic right on the heatsink when you get it, and let's go ahead and go over to IOs. I'm gonna need to set this down and figure something out. Hold on a second, guys. Alright, now taking a look at the IOs, this is a DVI right here and a DVI right here. You got a HDMI right here and 2 mini display ports right here if you have a monitor running DisplayPort because you make a lot of money and you got 4K TV already and you're just way ahead of everybody else. But this actually features technology called Ghost technology, and one of the things that is the heatsink, you'll notice, is not closed off, and I believe this is what the Ghost technology is, but I'm actually I should double check before I go talk about it. But the heatsink is actually open, allowing air to kind of be taken in from different sides and blown in, and yeah, it's just open and stirs up more air around. That's what the Ghost technology should be. I'm gonna actually double check that. Okay, I just read on the Ghost technology, and what it is basically the open heatsink allows air to pass through it evenly, and it allows air to get all over the PCB and allow the fans run at lower RPM, so you're not getting reference card noise levels that are just unbearable. And it also features a hydrocell vapor chamber technology that is based on the same thing as copper heat pipe technology. And let's see, I really think that's about it for this card. If there's any questions you guys have, feel free to ask. I know I didn't cover everything. I just mostly wanted to present the highlights of the card. So if there's any questions you guys have, go ahead, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you think of the unboxing.
Did you come through for us? Did you come through? Did you come through for us?
You think I am some kind of a chump?
I want this to be so easy, you know? I want it to be special. This is something else.